Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is account. 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 Account is a noun that refers to a record of financial transactions related to a specific individual, business, or entity. Account can also be used to describe a report or narrative that provides a detailed description or explanation of an event, situation, or experience. Here are some examples. Example number 1. I need to check my bank account balance to see if I can afford this purchase. Why account is used in example number 1. Account refers to a financial record. A bank account, for instance, is where you store your money and keep track of transactions. Example number 2. She gave a vivid account of her vacation, describing all the places she visited. Why account is used in example number 2. Account is used to describe a narrative or detailed explanation of an event or experience. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.